press in 3+ years, and I wanted to get the best results this time around. I went on YouTube looking for so many silk press and flat iron videos, and I found one that I think is gonna work for me, that I want to use for my flat iron. My hair is already blow dried and I'm following a video that I saw online. Welcome to my channel. Here today we're going to do flat iron from home, and hopefully we'll get the best results. I'm following the GLAMTWINZ YouTube videos for their flat iron. It's so comprehensive, like seriously. I think it's really gonna work for my hair. The last time I flat ironed my hair, after I blow dried and then I flat ironed with a cheap $20 flat iron, it just remained the same. Like there was no difference at all. So now I'm following their routine, and they said to buy so many products and follow so many steps. So I'm going to show you what I used, what I did. The first thing they mentioned was to use a Salon brand. So this is a Salon brand conditioner and shampoo and conditioner. It's the Redken. Seriously, this shampoo was it really felt like butter when I was using it. It was just so nice. The conditioner didn't really do much for me, to be honest. I was just like, yeah, I could skip that step. And then they mentioned a whole bunch of deep conditioners we could use. I decided to use this one because they said if you have thick, coarse hair, this is preferable for you. They sometimes use the deep conditioner that comes with this shampoo and conditioner, the Redken, but I chose to use this Adwoa Beauty Blue Tansy reparative mask for my deep conditioner, and this is really good. It's pricey. It's $40, but I think, yeah, it's worth the price. And after doing all that, guys, this thing took me 2 days. So I washed and shampooed and deep conditioned on day 1. I blow dried my hair yesterday, and today I went to flat iron. So if you have kids, you know the struggle is real, really. And so when I was blow drying my hair, I used a couple of products. They said to use this blow dry spray. So first I went in with this Redken anti-snap treatment. So it comes with this same shampoo and conditioner line. And then for my leave-in, I went in with the Miracle leave-in. Oh, it's a 10 Miracle leave-in. That's what I used for blow drying. So I had to apply these two on 4 different sections, and then I went in with this blow dry spray. They swear by this blow dry spray, really, the GLAMTWINZ. So they said this is a Kenra Platinum blow dry spray. They said it cuts down your blow drying time, and yeah, I can really attest to that. My blow dry went by so fast and it was really good. But another thing I want to try is this Wild Dream Coat supernatural spray. It's supposed to be for blow drying too, and I've heard a lot of things about this. It's water resistant, it helps with humidity. There's some natural hair girls that are already saying this is going to be a game changer. It's not a new product, so it's I mean, people with normal straight hair have been using it for a while. Well, I don't know, I'm going to use it the next time I want to flat iron my hair. I just want to follow this GLAMTWINZ whole regiment before I try something else. For my flat iron now, I'm going to use only this. This is the Baby Bliss Pro Nano Titanium, and this is a digital flat iron. Such a long time I did this that I'm not even sure, but I've watched so many videos of it online. People, flat ironing their hair, so should be fine. Let's start with this section. I'm gonna comb through. So go over your root a couple of times and do this. Oh gosh, this is kind of hard. Oh my gosh. Okay. Ugh. Okay, so then you chase. Does it work? Okay, let me try with the comb because I really don't think I can chase it. And you're supposed to go slowly over each section. Okay, yeah. Go slow, slow, slow. Okay, I think I got that done. It's looking good. It looks straight. Trying to remove the tangles in my hair because I'm literally using this comb to chase it. So, so go over your roots a couple of times. Oops, this is pretty hot. This is a trying to brush again. Oh my gosh. Slowly, slowly. Just smoking up a little bit. I'm sure it's fine. Ooh, my hair is looking pretty long. When last did I see my hair this, this stretched out? Oh my gosh. No wonder I'm having a hard time. I forgot to spray this. Go down slowly. I'm just gonna spray. It's protectant all over. My hands. Okay. Massage it in. Okay guys, another section is done and I'm loving the results. So I've done half of my head and it's looking really good. Just gonna comb it out. It's given what it's supposed to be given basically. I don't know, my ends are like, I don't even know. It's just kind of hard to get with the flat iron. But yeah, this is a whole complete section, complete half of my head. And yeah, I'm just gonna do the rest of the remaining half and then get back to you. So hi guys, this is the final result of my flat iron. It looks good. I haven't added any oil or anything yet, so I'm gonna do that now. I'm just gonna tell you guys, this was not easy at all. Just like any DIY thing you want to do on your own at home, it's gonna take trial and error, seriously. I thought it was gonna be easy breezy, like so easy, but it's not. This took me a long time to flat iron. My hair just was not cooperating. Gosh, so now I'm just gonna add an oil. I'm using the Paul Mitchell oil. In the GLAMTWINZ video, they used the cheese silk infusion oil. So hi guys, this is the final result of my flat iron. I was expecting it to be really slicker than this, to be honest, but I guess it tried. I don't know if it's the humidity in the hair or whatever, I really don't know. But I've applied this oil, Paul Mitchell oil. That's what I have at home. I already have this. I've had this for a long time. But in the GLAMTWINZ video, they used the cheese silk infusion oil. So if you have that, go for it. And yeah, this is the result. This is the back. It's really lovely in my opinion. I just wish it was more slicker. For my hair is too coarse to be flat. I don't know. So I have this headband. I'm just gonna use it to slick it back a little bit. Maybe this is gonna help with my day-to-day styling of the hair or something. And whenever you want to sleep, just make sure you wrap your hair, then tie a scarf over it so that your hair remains slick and light and laid down. So I'm really impressed with this. My hair is long. I didn't expect it to be this long for some reason. Yeah, let me know what you think down below. Bye.